Hi there, I am Khurram Khurshid, ACC part qualified from FTC Kaplan, London, and BSc Honors in Accounting and Finance from UK. Currently, I am working as a freelancer from a long time with a London-based accounting firm. In addition, I've been also providing the accounting services to the self-employed community of the UK from a long time. I know, having an experience of living in London, that the accounting services can be quite expensive down there. So, if you are looking to have some better competitive prices with the same standard of work and professionalism, accuracy, can have my services. We can have a chat, we can have audio conversation, video conversation as per your flexibility. If you have any query, you're most welcome to ask or contact me via WhatsApp or via email. Take care, have a nice day, bye bye.